Welcome to Zack's pronunciation. This word is pronounced lef-TEN-uhnt, lef-TEN-uhnt, lef-TEN-uhnt. In the UK, they pronounce it lef-TEN-uhnt. In the USA, they pronounce it loo-TEN-uhnt, loo-TEN-uhnt, loo-TEN-uhnt. In the UK, lef-TEN-uhnt. In the USA, loo-TEN-uhnt. A lieutenant or a lieutenant is a military rank, sometimes police rank, used in many countries. It generally refers to a commissioned officer who is above the lowest officer rank and below higher ranks like captain. A lieutenant is usually a junior officer in the army, navy or air force, someone who assists a higher ranking officer and may lead small groups of soldiers or units. You can use it in a sentence like he was promoted to lieutenant after 3 years of service. You can also say the lieutenant led the training exercise. Lieutenant, lieutenant. Both pronunciations are correct. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.